Can you tell me what are you doing?
Kena pass ride bukan nak.
Kesukaran tu nampak lah ni dinding pun tak ada.
Tapi when kita save, dia start dekat tempat yang kita save, which is over here.
Okay.
Let me show our parking management system.
Hi, we are from BT Parkos.
Okay.
So this is our project.
So this is our dia separate antara non-metal and metal. Okay, so this is the place where we are going to present all our project, Capstone project.
Okay.
So remember to watch my group 11. Never mind, that's yours. 10. I'm group 10.
Terbalik kan?
Yeah, my sugar daddy.
Yeah, I'm just filming. Don't worry.
重点在这，会重新录一下，好了吗？
好了。
OK， 然后我调一下这个，还有个
Hi. Can you tell me what are you doing?
Basically, I have done my part of this, which is the fire safety system. As you can see that over there is basically zone A. So each sensor will detect a certain part of the distance of the fire. That applies here as well, zone B. And now currently I'm doing the brain part because assume that one zone is 130 ESP32 and another one ESP32. So both of these ESP32 are basically sleeves. And then this is the brain. And this one is to receive a command. So currently I'm trying to make the brain, and afterwards I'll try and test it around this, and hopefully it will receive. Yeah. literally. I'm breaking my, I'm hacking my brain. Get it? Hacking? Okay, it's a bad joke anyway. You want cookie? It's not a cookie, but
Is that cookie?
no lah. This one cookie.
Okay.
So you want cookie? Yeah.
You call this cookie?
I mean, it's inside the cookie jar.
Makes sense.
Yeah, I sudah bagus lah. Yeah.
I even zoom in, I see got cookie inside man. It says cookie.
Get it? Sudah bagus lah. Okay, You wanna change my sweet? You wanna replace me?
No thanks.
What a bad woman. I trust you. No,
How is it taste?
it tastes like chocolate.
What a perfect answer. Enjoy your chocolate. What?
I guess.
Why you so shy?
This is for research.
Oh, is it?
No. Application.
Type-C cable. Please open. Actually, unplug the whole thing. Where's the cable?
Why you sound like a gangster? You sound like a gangster.
Please pass me the charger cable. Thank you. I appreciate it, my friend. Hey, just because aku India, bro scared aku ni. Aku ni tu India.
Camera roll first. Okay. Okay, you can start.
Malah hari tu apa? Kau tukar pin je.
Okay. So for me, what I've been doing for my final year project, I make a game. So the target audience is a minor. So my game is basically macam ni. So the player and all the children can roam all inside the games, and the music is soothing. And then everyone can roam all the types of things they can do lah. And what I do dekat menu, so I have player, inventory, map dengan setting. So the only thing I have implemented now is only inventory. So dekat sini can drag here, can drag here, and then I can also change the position like here. So any types of position you can do that. And then I can also have save. So bila save, then kita stop. Kan it start dekat sini kan. Tapi when kita save, dia start dekat tempat yang kita save, which is over here. That's all. Welcome to. Thank you for coming for my tech talk. Please hire me. Larry, I'm begging you. I do this shit. I cried, I haven't get enough sleep. Crazy.
Okay. Okay, please hire this guy. He is very good.
How come you didn't say that for me? Am I not good?
You are too good to hire.
Let's go at some point.
You should become the manager of a company.
I'll open a startup. Please join us when I open one. I will hire you. But then don't ask for salary, no money. Volunteers, I recommend.
No, that I come work with you.
Let's go, bro. But then I don't really need a game developer.
I can code. What you? Do you?
I can code.
What code?
What code you want?
What code do you have?
Anything also can. I'll hire you, I'll just take you. Why not?
Don't worry. I'll become a good paperweight for you.
Yep.
Yep.
Come here.
Okay, here.
Come here.
Okay, here.
Here.
What?
To connect, because I'm using Arduino as the smaller control for the motor drivers, right? So to run Arduino in the ROS2, you have to connect it as Arduino first. So you'll have a code that runs Arduino in Arduino, and then you'll upload it to the board. After you do that, we will have our own specific ROS2 code file. For example, in this case, we have a PS4 controller, which is basically sending the information to the serial. Where is it? Sorry. So motor driver. This PS4 controller is sending the information to the CMD drive. So in the motor driver code, we will be connected to the serial port. So this serial port information will be sent to the Arduino for the Arduino to function.
Okay.
So then we will basically run it. Wait. I'm lazy to type the thing one by one, so we copy paste.
So di belakang.
Oh wait, but then I'm not connected. I forgot to connect. Okay. So for example, theoretically this should function, this should work. Right? You can see here it's working now. It's forward. When I go forward, it's forward, backwards, right, and left. Okay. But then for some reason it's not detecting the information here. Why is that? I need to understand.
Okay.
So we see the error here, or the code problem. Okay, I know why.
So
The code
smart.
problem. This one Arduino code need to change. Need to use this code. So we upload this again. Oh no, why can't running, assuming it will work this time. Oh, that. So this is like this, right? So for example, oh shit, the connection. It worked just now lah, but then fucking connection. I need to hold it properly.
Okay.
See, that one goes forward, this one goes back, so it turns left, and then all that lah. But then this keeps happening when I.
What?
It just keeps rotating.
It will not stop lah.
Yeah. Which I don't know why. So that one needs fixing lah.
Okay.
works.
Very nice.
So please hire me. I'm a ROS 2 programmer. Terbalik eh?
Yeah, my sugar daddy. My friends, this is my sugar daddy, you know.
Yes.
He buy me things. He buy me this robot, all the components.
Yes.
That,
Hello.
Hola.
Ooh. Explain about this project of yours.
So this is supposed to be autonomous waste management robot. So we have the camera to detect the waste and everything. We have the live stream here. So currently this is in manual mode. So you can see when we move the joysticks, the tires move. Right,
Okay.
right, left and all that. And then when we hit, for example, when we hit Y, it turns 180 degrees. And then when we hit X, it returns to 0 degrees. So later we will put a partition here to separate between different types of waste.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Yeah, Kishan. Let's go. Not bad.
Yeah, right. This is the update from the. Basically, I can also show you this. Wait. So now when I hit A, it's in autonomous mode.
Okay.
So when I see now, this is the waste. So when the camera detects it, when it detects it, the tire starts moving.
Okay.
So when it's within a certain distance, it stops for 10 seconds. This 10 seconds is for the arm to pick it up and put it inside the bin.
Oh, nice, nice.
So then after 10 seconds, it should start rotating again if it sees another waste. I don't know if it's detecting or not. Oh, there you go. Oh, I think distance. But yeah, so if it sees a waste, it will start moving up. Yeah,
Nice.
that's for autonomous mode lah. It's not done yet.
Nice.
Yeah. Please hire me.
Alright. So, sekarang nak buat apa? Solihin.
Sekarang saya tengah buat connection to positive voltage dari power supply ke motor driver.
Okay.
So it's quite difficult because dia really kecil. Yeah. See? So bila connect macam ni, kita boleh buat lagi satu connection untuk lagi satu driver motor. Because we have two stepper motor, so we need two driver. Still we can use one driver, but it's not recommended.
Alright.
So we take one. See?
So, how does it work later on for these mechanical parts afterwards?
For this mechanical part, as you can see, we have the base layer and the second layer. I mean the first floor. This is the ground. This is the first floor. This acrylic part is the first floor. So later we will have a aluminum profile over here. Has a tower, and also we will include the nozzle at the top of the tower. So as you can see, if this one will move in the X direction or Y?
This one is the X and that one is the Y.
Okay, so as you can see from here, we have a lot of sensors, flame, humidity and smoke. So as example, if this flame sensor here is triggered, so the tower, the first stepper motor will initiate its movement, so it will go here. And then the initial position of tower here will be moved by this stepper motor, so we go here. It will move towards the triggered sensor. And then let's say if the nozzle facing here, so there also will be a servo motor that will control the nozzle to move 90 degree here, so that it will facing towards the sensor.
Okay.
So the same concept will be applied to the other sensors.
Yeah. Hello. Okay, bye. That's all. Okay. Kishan.
My hair nice up.
Of course, very handsome.
My hair nice ah. My beard nice ah.
Yes, very nice.
That's the thing, I don't have beard, proper beard.
Don't worry, all of you are very handsome.
You also very pretty.
Hi, sir.
Hello. Okay, so this is the place where we are going to present all our project, Capstone project.
Okay.
So remember to watch mine, group 11. Never mind, that's yours.
Hey.
Group 10. I'm group 10. I'm group 10. Remember to watch it. The best project ever.
No, my one is better. Any?
Hello.
Hanafi, anything you want to say? Anything you want to say?
Group 1, number 1.
No.
I am lifting the table. Very hardworking. Very good.
Hey, didn't I lift that table just now?
You were wrong. You didn't need to do that. It's all your fault.
Hi. Nak kata apa?
Selamat tinggal. Good luck. Semoga tak fail.
Your things no more setup, you need to just to show your functionality and do a presentation of your project. Is that okay?
Yes.
So you can utilize this time until tomorrow early morning to do the setup or decoration or whatever it is. By 9 a.m. everything is supposed to be ready. Alright, tomorrow we will provide a light breakfast for you in the early morning. Okay?
No.
Okay, good luck.
Hello, Assalamualaikum, and ni robot saya. Saya cuba buat satu gazelle.
Macam nak? Oi, Olympus ya. Record ke? Recording ke?
Hi, so this is robot saya. Aku buat sendiri coding. Okay, so hi korang. Ini adalah robot tim saya. Kami daripada UMPSA buat satu robot untuk detect corrosion dengan paint inspection dekat tank surfaces. So macam mana dia boleh buat benda tu dekat tank surfaces is with this wheel. which is magnetic. So basically this is a magnetic wheel robot with corrosion detection and also paint inspection for tank surfaces. So kenapa saya buat robot ni dengan tim saya adalah kerana this is one of our projects, Capstone project that we are going to demo today, but we just finished the whole robot basically. So our target was that first of all dia boleh panjat dinding besi, which we have a platform sheet metal that we are going to climb. Later we show, and also we want to accurately detect corrosion and also paint degradation, macam kerahan dekat cat-cat on the tank surfaces, right? So there's a lot going on here. First of all, that I just mentioned, we got 4 magnetic wheels. So to drive the magnetic wheels, we use 4 DC motors, quite high torque, around 6.4 kgcm torque. The 12 volt motor, DC motor. Then to drive the DC motors, I use 2 MDD3A motor driver as the Citron. And then to power the whole system, I use Li-Fe4 battery instead of using the traditional like ion or AA and such, because the liability, I use this battery because of the better So the reason why I use Li-Fe4 instead of using other type of batteries like Lion, because the stability of the battery, instead of Lion, there's sometimes going to be over voltage. So scrap that. Okay, so going in depth for the electrical system and electronics, like I said, we use Li-Fe4 battery in 4 series. Inside this blue cage, there is 4 cells, so we got around 12.8 volts. The mAh for the Li-Fe4 that I bought is 5 AH or 5000 mAh. Then in this system we got actually 3 ESP system. First of all, this one, the duet ESP dev-kit one. This is the used for reading the sensor data from the ultrasonics and also the tip module sensor, and sending the sensor data into the web server. So the reason is because we want to know the distance between the robots and the wall or the floor if we use the ultrasonics from behind when we detect something like the corrosion or paint inspection. Also then we have this another ESP Mini S2, which is used by this robot actually to control the movement using this makeshift joystick. We only have one joystick, so the way that our robot move, I can show you. We go front, move front, then we go back, then we pivot right or left. So that's how our robot move. So the last ESP system that we have is actually ESP32 cam below the robot. Wait, let me show you. below the robot, there we have another ESP32 cam. So that's all for this robot, and I hopefully this project will do good for the demo of it. Okay, so this is the demo for climbing the metal sheet for the magnetic wheels. So okay, so come closer. As you can see, our robot can withhold the friction, withhold all the forces that provided by the robot itself. The only forces that the robot have is the gravity forces going down. So we calculated already the magnetic strength to withhold the robot. With the for every each wheels we have two magnetic ring that we clamp together. So we got total 8 total magnets. So the calculation we got that it can withhold around 4 kg of the body, and right now the body only weight around 1.2 kg. So as you can see, there is another problem for it to stay in the wall. There is the friction between the tires and also the wall. So how we do manage it to make it stick is by adding more friction. Like for us to buy a cheap thing, we use anti-slip tape that we just cover around the magnetic wheels. So that's all for the wall climbing demo. Thank you.
It'll be like that for the next 2 hours. Then you'll go.
They will update it with the sensor readings updated. Location of the different.
Also, the voltage is actually 12 volt, and we connected to the terminal block. This terminal block will separate all to the different type of sensors. So this one will go to the motor, another one will connect to the pump system, and then this one will connect to the sensor. But before we connect to the sensor, we need to put in the step down transformer. So here from 12 volt, it step down to 5 volts. So it is suitable for most of the sensors here.
But this one you only test. This one just test. We set only for the step motor and for the sensor. Then when we combine it, it's now working.
And this one is
When you
Hi, we are from BT Pagos.
okay.
So this is our project.
Alright.
This is smart incinerator to burn LDPE plastic. So it comes with 2 parts, the combustion chamber and also the filtering system. So inside the chamber,
Okay.
you can bring the plastic.
Okay.
Okay. Up to 30 kilogram. And then we have a filtering system. It's a multi-layer filtering system. First we have a hand pump and anti-carbon on top. And so when we burn the plastic, it's all slight haze from the pembakaran plastik.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Good luck.
So this is our project. Dia nak separate antara non-metal dan metal. So contoh non-metal, dia akan sort ke tempat non-metal, dia akan drop. Dan kita akan dapat satu point dekat sini.
Oh.
Say RFID card. So for the metal,
Okay, so for the metal, ada anything else?
so for the metal, secondly, and we can collect the point for metal is 5 points. So how to collect the point? Just touch at the RFID. So we can get the point on the
Kenapa kau tak bisa? Untuk check point, kita tengok display dekat sini. Boleh datang.
Okay.
Dekat datang sini, dekat ada display. So untuk tahu kad dalam berapa point dalam kad ni, kita just tekan butang.
Okay.
And then kita akan check balance. So balance 88. So dalam kad ni ada 88 point.
Wah, kaya.
Itulah projek kita.
Okay. Right. Okay. Thank you.
Betul ke? Ya kan gambar.
So we're going to pick up the object right here, but the conveyor is running from the robot. As you can see
Why
right
it's
here.
running from the robot? Because it's scared.
This is like my love life.
Boleh gerak ni je kan? Ya, tak ada. Itu sebab dia ni MG99 yang ni MG90S. Sebab aku pun tadi aku masa yang kat rumah pun aku try.
So it will collect from here, right?
Really sure. We can actually change the rotation lah of the motor, so it can go this way.
Oh,
Now it's
okay.
going this way. So what do is we can actually select the mode. So we have two modes, auto and manual.
Okay.
If you press this button, you can actually select the mode lah, whether which one you want. So right now we using auto mode. So in this one in the auto mode, so we will detect the color. So right now it's detected green and red. So when it comes to here, then that's where the robotic arm will pick it up lah. But now it doesn't work yet.
Okay, no worries. Alright, that's all. Bye.
Where's your project?
Kesukaran tu nampak ni dinding tak ada. So bila barang jatuh, dia akan jatuh. So situ ada mekanisme lah. Dia punya bawah ni ada motor. So dia akan drop. So sebenarnya banyak lagi dah. Banyak lagi.
Saya rasa dia kadang bila you nak buat satu prototype, dia tak perlu nak buat dia punya real punya size. That's why you akan facing a lot of problem lah. Dia tu dari segi material tu sendiri berberat lah pun. Kalau besar-besarnya seolah-olah you nak buat real ni mesin ni kan, jadi banyak.
Kita respect kita buat juga lah. Sebab dia dah cakap dah, saya dah cakap dah, saya nak buat kalau boleh betul-betul lah.
Miniature punya
macam
ada soal saya tengok tu kan. Boleh print lah. Yang ni saya nampak macam yang biasa-biasa nampak dekat lab punya. Macam saya nak tebang je. Cantik dia buat.
Ini memang
bila macam you buat yang macam dia ni kan, dia akan banyak problem lah.
memang banyak sangat lah.
Banyak problem.
Satu-satu lah. Ini selalunya pun tak boleh turun. Ini sepatutnya bajet ni. Aku dulu jadi
Kasut dia tu apa? Nak close dia pintu.
Satu kilo tu kita awalnya ditutup. Konsep dia macam tu.
So yang ni boleh didemonstrate, tak boleh lah?
Tak boleh. Tapi dia bergerak. Tapi kita tak dapat lah kita punya target. Sebab
You try. Tengok dulu.
tak boleh.
Okay.
You learn something about this. Dia bukan sekadar projek saja. Dia macam mana you nak handle you people macam you ada organisasi lah. Bukan sekadar nampak cantik je lah.
Jalan okey, cuma sini dia tak ada longkang. So dia slip.
Oh, okey.
So dia akan jadi slip. Lepas tu dia okey je GIS. Okey je.
Oh, simulation okey lah.
Cumanya bila barang ni turun dekat sini sebab solid node sebab node sensor ni kita ikat, orang ikat sekali dengan ni.
Dia punya projek ni wajib kena ada conveyor ke? Ada dia hang lagi.
Okay.
Let me show our parking management system.
Okay.
We have not finished our project yet.
Oh.
It's just maybe 70% of it. And they have taken our system and computers away, so let's just show about it. When a car came, the camera will recognize the license plate. And the RFID is sure come, it will done.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, thanks.
Masih rap bukan nak nak rap je sebab
Senario.
Wah.
lepas tu nak papan apa? One down tu baru nama jauh tempat je.
Oh, wah, banyaknya ayam.
Okay. Number.
Okay, saya dah letakkan sana. Bye. coming out. Come out. Come out. Aww. So cute. Oh, it's running away.
Nó hậu thả.
Kira, kira. Yeah! Muốn leo, muốn leo. Come on, don't be shy. Hello.
Kalau kena ni, aku cari.
Oh.
Boleh ni.
Nak buat kan?
Nah, ni nak tinggi lah.
Batah.
Ini dah tinggi ya bayi.
Jangan bodoh. Jangan bodoh.
Ayam dong.
Oh. Ada.
Ini kan engineering anda.
Ya, nak dengan baik.
Ini kan baju. Mari.
Tak tahu buat apa.
Akan merah apa? Engineering.
Ya. Fail arkitek.
Base yang kemas lah. Engineering buat macam ni lah.
Aku from scratch.
Cik. Apa? Ni lagi cantik. Yang ni pula tak tahu.
Jadi. Tekan kepakaran engineering. 3D printer.
Letak tengah.
3D printer pasti.
Tahu.
Nak pegang? Siapa dia tak on?
Oh, tengah rekod ke?
Tak tengah rekod. Tara tak boleh main. Boleh main video. Oh, jatuh. Foundation.
Jatuh balik.
Kalau nak film lain daripada
memang nak sentiasa rekod ke?
Up to you. Kalau nak ambil short clip kan.
Macam mana nak apa? Nak cut lah.
Apa tak dekat? Dekat kan? Oh, stop. Sorry.
He want to burn you.
You have to glide, cannot see.
Oh, cannot. Just say I don't like it. I just want to
아니서야. 아니서. 좋아. 이거.
I'm a refugee and I came and I grew in the south side of London. Ain't up to the hill, but always to the road you can find
确实，可是我觉得还拍不出来。Great。 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
Yes. She calling me black.
Brother.
Inilah masanya. Tadi saya dapat tak dia. Lepas dia dah mengaku lah.
Luminous.
이거 진짜 너무 화장해요.
那边拍一下人。
你拍错了，拍到狗了。
你每次马嘞你？
那边，你可以去那边的。
叫我看一下。
在里面，在哪边？
啊？
去里面。
不能啦，那个是我看这里面。行了。哎，等会你说。
Masa tu ada tingkat kat depan tu kan. Lepas aku fikir angin lah. Lepas tu aku mandi semua tu, aku masuk bilik aku. Lepas tu pintu tu kan, pintu tu ada knob dengan lock tu kan. So bila aku tutup pintu tu, aku putar masuk. Lepas tu dah tutup tu, button tu aku tekan macam ni. Kiranya kalau aku tekan tu, memang pintu tu dah tutup kan. So aku tolak sampai akhir tu, memang dah tutup. Lepas tu, aku duduk atas katil aku, main-main phone kejap kan. Lepas tu aku dengar ada orang ketuk pintu. Pasal aku macam ada orang ketuk pintu kan. So aku buka pintu. Tengok tak ada orang. Pasal aku ingat mungkin member aku ke apa nak main bola lawak kan. Lawak bodoh kan orang India kan. Sebab masa tu Roshan dengan Santosh rumah sama blok dengan aku. So aku macam keluar tengok cari ada orang ke tak. Terus tak ada orang. Pasal aku masuk balik aku tutup pintu balik. Tutup pintu. Pasal aku pergi duduk balik ketuk pintu lagi. Tutup pintu ni. Aku buka pintu keluar sampai koridor lah sebab macam mesti ada orang kan. Aku keluar dari pintu sampai koridor tak ada orang. Lepas tu masa tu dia dah study week tau. So rumah tu tak ada, bilik lain tak ada orang. So aku macam apa pula pelik-pelik kan. Masa aku masuk bilik balik aku kunci pintu aku duduk. Masa aku kunci pintu tu kan, aku kunci pintu aku duduk tu ketuk lagi. Pasal aku tak buka pintu aku macam fuck shit lah don't care. Lepas tu aku tunggu beberapa minit tu, lepas tu ada bunyi angin tau. Bunyi angin tu lepas tu pintu bathroom all the doors are like slamming on each other. Then suddenly my room door buka.
Oh shit.
Aku kunci tau. Lepas tu kalau nak kata angin tolak pun, aku dengar bunyi knob. Faham tak? Knob tu macam Macam tu. Lepas aku macam apa benda. Pintu aku terbuka kan. Aku tengok kat luar tak ada orang. Lepas tu aku ambil pintu tu, aku slam. Aku hantam lah pintu tu. Aku hantam pintu tu, pasal aku macam tak apa lah, biar je lah.
Itu punya.
Hormat alam sikit. Kalau tempat-tempat macam ni kan. Betul. Saya akan nyanyi buat lagu Tuhan. Anyways, lepas tu
Rabani. Religious song.
Pasal lagu kau tu.
tak kena gambar. Lepas tu tak kena gambar. Lepas tu aku